Hi guys, this is my wood turning machine, also called a lathe, and I've now been making this. Don't really know what to call it. Basically a little hammer type thing. Yeah, and I've got my chuck on the end for making bowls and stuff like that. Probably can't see it very well, but yeah. You might see more of this on my YouTube channel in the future. So, got a big pile of stuff all done now. I have to clean that up every now and then. So, that's going to be pretty good. So, just show you some of my tools in a minute. Got this one. Where is it? Yeah, got that tool. Got this tool. That's what I've got on the end. Pretty cool. Put that one back down. Got this one here. Looks like a pretty good one. So yeah. There we go. One more to show you. And it's this one. Got quite a fat end on it. Pretty good. I'm not sure what 3 of these do, but I do know what one of them do. I'm pretty sure this one with like the curved edge in it is for like taking off bark and stuff like that. Well, and that's what I've been using it for. So hopefully it's right. So yeah, that's pretty good. Let's focus. And please leave a like and subscribe. I will see you again later. You out.